Gates open, they're up and racing. Amsterdam draws for your lead, moving up by the rail. Is on your knees, then on the outside. In between runners now is Speed Up Firm. Is Speed Up Firm now takes command. Running on the outside, Amsterdam by the rail on your knees. Then comes Fire Prince by the rail. Is Kyrell and trailing the group is the Chosen One. Heading towards the last 800 is Speed Up Firm by a long neck running on the outside Amsterdam. Then followed by On Your Knees. Moving up to take fourth now is entry number 5 Kyrell. Next in line Fire Prince and trailing the group still is the Chosen One past the last 600. Amsterdam still leading the field is Speed Up Firm by the rail. On Your Knees sneaking in down on the inside. Kyrell also closing in as they turn to the final 400 meter stretch run of Santa Ana Park. Amsterdam from the outside. Kyrell On Your Knees is in between runners with the last 200 meters more to run. On Your Knees running at the center, running by the release, Kyrell Amsterdam. Kyrell On Your Knees running in between runners, Amsterdam, and leading the finish line, it's going to be Kyrell On Your Knees, Amsterdam. Then comes his Speed Up Firm, number 2, Fire Prince, and number 3, The Chosen One.